Hello, friends. Another day, another adventure. Today we set out on a special mission, exploring a pet animal market in search of the perfect baby bird for my daughter. She had her heart set on finding one to bring home. And what better place to look than Seed Friday Market? Now, if you've never been to a Friday market in Oman, let me paint you a picture. Imagine a bustling open-air marketplace that comes alive once a week, packed with vendors selling everything under the sun: fresh produce, clothes, household goods, and yes, even pets. It's an exciting place full of energy, colors, and endless choices. We woke up early, eager to explore the pet section, which is one of the highlights of the market. As soon as we arrived, we were greeted by the lively sounds of chirping birds and the sight of cages filled with all kinds of feathered friends. It's truly a paradise for bird lovers. One thing we love about shopping here is the variety and the prices. Just to give you an idea, a budgie bird at a mall pet shop costs around 3.5 Omani Rial, $9. But at Friday Market, you can get one for just 1.2 Omani Rial, $3. A huge difference, right? As we wandered through the bird stalls, we came across a baby parrot. Oh, what a beauty. But when we asked about the price, we had to take a moment to think. Baby parrots are surprisingly more expensive than full-grown ones. A tiny green baby parrot here costs 25 Omani Rial, $65. Quite the investment for a little feathered friend. So the big question is, will we buy it? The decision isn't easy. How about in your area? How much does a baby parrot cost where you live? Let me know.
Mura ate kasi yun ano, mabalik. Ibon? Ano nga daw, diba? Ito, 8 real. Dito. Yung baby sa 15 real. Pre-baby pa eh. Pero, natatawaran. Ito na kami binibigyan ng pantry. Apa dyan?